My name is Gordon Smith and I'm 95 years old. I was in the Navy and I found myself in Pearl Harbor. I was on a destroyer at the time, the Gambier Bay. That was sunk October the 25th of 1944, about 8 months after I got on it. Well, we ran into the Japanese fleet. They was coming out of a thunderstorm and we was coming out on the other side. After they shot at us, we knew who they were. It was terrible. We was in the water 2 days before they found us. The honor flight was very nice. Oh my God, it was just wonderful. Got off the airplane. Oh my goodness, there was my nieces and nephews, a crowd of people. Yes, I thought it was an honor. Yes, very grateful for the chance to go up there. Very grateful.